Hello everyone, welcome back to thermodynamics. In our previous video, we saw enthalpy of phase transition, and under that we had enthalpy of fusion, enthalpy of vaporization and enthalpy of sublimation. Now, second is enthalpy of atomic or molecular changes. In this, you will have chemical reactions where the reactant is either an atom or a molecule. Under this also we are having around three subtypes, and in this the first one is enthalpy of ionization. Enthalpy of ionization will be denoted like this: delta ion H. Okay, enthalpy of ionization will involve what? Any reaction in which an atom is either gaining electron or losing electron so that it is converted into cation or anion. Okay, now let us consider one example of sodium. The atom should be in the gaseous state so that the loss of electron will easily take place. We know sodium is having one electron in the outermost shell, so it will lose that electron. Okay, and when this electron is released, certain enthalpy change which takes place in the reaction is given by 494. It is 494 kilojoules per mole. So this much amount of heat change is involved when there is ionization of sodium to sodium ion. How the sodium atom will be converted into sodium ion? When it loses one electron which is present in its outermost shell, because we know sodium is 281, so that single electron in the third shell will be lost and you will get ion. The reaction is called ionization, and the heat change in this reaction is called enthalpy of ionization. Okay, so how we define enthalpy of ionization? ये तो example था. पहले आपको definition लिखना है और फिर ये example लिखना है. How I can give the definition of enthalpy of ionization? The enthalpy change that accompanies, means that is involved in removal of an electron from one mole of any gaseous atom. See, I have taken one atom of sodium in the gaseous state, and it is involving what? Removal of one electron. So the enthalpy change which is involved in this reaction, it is called enthalpy of ionization. I am repeating, here goes the enthalpy of ionization definition. The enthalpy change that accompanies removal of one electron from one mole of gaseous atom is called enthalpy of ionization. And then you can give this example. If you can remember the value, you can say delta ion H is 494 kilojoules per mole. Okay, now the reverse of this reaction is called electron gain process. ये reaction क्या है? Ionization, क्योंकि इसमें electron loss हुआ है, right? The reverse of this ionization is called electron gain process, and the enthalpy change in that reaction is called electron gain enthalpy. For example, if you are having chlorine, you know chlorine is 287, so it will be in need of one electron. So the single electron when gained by chlorine, it is converted into what? Cl minus. Okay, and the enthalpy change in this reaction, you will give it by what? Delta Eg of H. It is minus 349 kilojoules per mole. It is minus 349 kilojoules per mole. So students, remember, if electron is lost, then it is called enthalpy of ionization. If electron is gained, then it is called electron gain enthalpy. And this too is a reverse process. यहाँ पे electron loss हुआ तो ये positive था, but यहाँ पे electron gain हो रहा है, and that's why it is negative. So electron gain enthalpy is negative, meaning when the electron comes in any atom, when it is added to any atoms, the change in enthalpy is negative. Now, second type after ionization is called enthalpy of atomization. It is called enthalpy of atomization. where a molecule will split into atoms. This is denoted by symbol ATOH. Okay, enthalpy of atomization will be what? The enthalpy change which is involved in dissociation of 1 mole of a gaseous atom, of a gaseous molecule into atoms. Okay, enthalpy of atomization, let us take one example. If you are having chlorine molecule hai ye, in the gaseous phase you have to take. Okay, and if it breaks into two chlorine atoms, the process is called atomization. And to break the bond between two chlorine atoms, energy will be required. So delta H for the process is going to be a positive value. कितना है ये value? It is 242 kilojoules per mole. 242 kilojoules per mole, the value is positive. I am repeating, enthalpy of atomization क्या होता है? ये होता है enthalpy change involved in the dissociation of 1 mole of any gaseous molecule into its gaseous atom. So 1 mole of any substance, may it will be a molecule, will split into atoms, and the process is called atomization. The enthalpy change is called enthalpy of atomization. Suppose you are having methane. We know methane is a marsh gas. It is in the gaseous state. How it will break? If all the 4 bonds of all the CH bond breaks, what will be the product? एक कार्बन एटम आएगा और 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आएंगे. Then this process is what? Atomization. And in this process, the enthalpy of atomization will be very high क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 bonds का breaking हुआ है, and this is 1660 kilojoules per mole. Okay, so enthalpy of atomization में क्या हुआ? एक molecule break हुआ into its gaseous atom. Next is called enthalpy of solution. Third type of enthalpy is called enthalpy of solution, which will be denoted in this way. Okay, the symbol of enthalpy of solution is this. Now, what is the definition for this, students? The enthalpy of solution is defined as the enthalpy change in a process where 1 mole of any substance is dissolved in a specific amount of a solvent. मतलब आपके पास एक solvent है, specific volume, and you add to this certain solute which is 1 mole. 1 mole of solute you are adding to some amount of solvent. There will be change in heat content of the solution, and the heat change in this process जब आपने dissolve किया है, in this process whatever heat change take place, it is called enthalpy of solution. For example, suppose you are having sodium chloride, common salt. We know it is in the solid state, and if it is dissolved in water, I will write plus aqueous, which shows water or aqueous medium. What will be the result? You will get NaCl, which comes in the solution, means you will get a salt solution. Now the enthalpy change which is involved in this process is written in this way, and it is 4 kilojoules per mole. So students note करो that whenever we dissolve any solute, जैसे आपने नमक अगर पानी में मिलाया है तो उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है, but the increase in temperature is very less. You can see it is 4 kilojoules per mole. So this is called enthalpy of solution. I am repeating the definition. The enthalpy of solution is defined as enthalpy change in a process where 1 mole of a substance means solute, is dissolved in specified amount of solvent. Okay, what will be the result of this? You will get a solution of a particular concentration. We will continue next time. Till then, bye bye.